Disclaimer. We do not own Black Cat. Black Cat is owned by Kentaro Yabuki, Gonzo, Animex, and Funimation. Please support the official release.
I thought I made it quite clear that I didn't want you here.
Oh, really? I thought calling security on me was an open invitation to just pop in whenever. You know, there's something you really have to learn about assassins. We don't need a f***ing invitation to kill.
Hey, how about you drop the sarcasm and pull the damn trigger already?
Oh, I will.
Oh, will you? I assumed you were just gonna sit here all day shooting the breeze.
Oh, I'll be shooting something.
Maybe we should talk about this.
Stay out of it!
You know, I could have killed you at any time during this little conversation.
Well, it's not exactly a fair fight. I mean, you have a gun.
And you have a big-ass arm knife thing. What's your point?
Oh, I don't need this to kill you.
Well, if you're not going to use that, then what are you going to use?
No, Eve, we're leaving.
Okay, so all I have to do is steal some computer files. How hard could that be? Oh, what's this? How to make rolled omelets without turning it into toxic waste by Tiaru Lunatique? You know, the title and the creator aren't the strange thing here. It's the fact that it's on a floppy disk. Who the hell uses floppy disks these days?
You again?
I'm taking the girl. What's so
Flint, sir!
Ah! It's so tingly!
What the hell have you done?
I have given the girl an amplifier that takes her to a state of evil and brutality, unlike any other. It causes anger and aggression to flow through her, releasing her primal fury. It's safe to say that it causes the girl to lose her mind.
You mean to tell me that you've made a device that forces her into her period?
Exactly.
You sick bastard. There are some things that men should not tamper with.
I need chocolate!
Where the hell is Rinslet?
Where the hell am I? Hey Sven, what's up?
Not much. Bioweapon escaped and is now on a duel to the death with Black Cat, and I'm about to be executed by a firing squad.
Oh, so we're not going to be able to walk out the front door. Huh.
You know, it's tough to say, but hold on. You know, that was one hell of a daring escape.
I know. I think it's safe to say that anyone who didn't see that glorious display of action and suspense will never be fully satisfied in life.
That was so amazing that I forgot what we were doing.
Do I look fat in this dress?
Please, for the love of God, don't kill me!
Right, berserk menstruating bioweapon.
Tell me I'm pretty!
You'd look a lot prettier if you didn't have so much of my blood on you.
I'm gonna have to rush her, jump on top of her, and rip that thing off her chest. Giggity. Ah. Ah.
Oh, crap. Did I stab you? Oh, sorry about that. My bad.
Oh, no, it's fine. It's just a 6-foot-long knife through my sternum.
I said I was sorry. Jeez.
Are you okay?
I've been stabbed.
Well, at least I still have my employees.
Everyone besides me is dead, sir.
Well, at least I still have my research data.
Yeah, about the research data.
Well, at least I still have my health.
I think I may need to go to a hospital.
No, I can do it.
No, leave. Don't you dare kill her.
No, shoot me. I dare you.
You know what? I've had a long night, lost a lot of blood, broke into an arms dealer's mansion twice, killed too many guards to even begin to count, got attacked by this menstruating bitch. I'm gonna go get some nachos.
Hey, weren't you gonna kill me?
Nachos, Eve, maybe a slushie, but definitely nachos.
Huh. Nachos do sound good. Let's go.
Monday, time for alchemy. I'm Barry, behind the gallery. Come in and see a band from Norway or Japan. Pick up the CD while you're able, somewhere on a tiny German label. Miss Gothic NYC, a saver dance for me. And you deposit, if you please, some black lipstick.
So, Taco Bell?
Oh, God, no.
What's wrong with Taco Bell?
You know damn well what's wrong with Taco Bell.
Hey, so, it's been a long night, and I really don't feel like walking. Can I maybe hitch ride with you guys?
Sure.
Cool, so, where are we going?
Taco Bell.
Oh, God, I'm walking.
See? You see what you do, Rinslet?